Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm Chris here with Moto Creek. We're on another project today. I'm back with another product from Dreamizer. They sent me the taillight package that I was looking for that has the turn signals in it. And I was going to put it on the 2023 Gas 350F, but I don't have the wiring kit and all that for it yet, and I'm not ready to get the rest of this done. So we're gonna move on to this. This is a 2005 DR650, and a lot of guys use these for enduros and dual sports, and I figured it'd be cool. You can look at this one. We got the lights are already broken. They bust off of these things so easy. They hang out here a mile long. And so what else is a better reason to try to use one of these so we can get rid of a whole cluster that's happening. So we're really busy in the shop. We've got lots of projects. Got the hoist up. We got Nathan over here. He's working on a chainsaw. And no, we do not do chainsaws, because this is why we don't do chainsaws. So yeah, we're gonna jump into this project. Let me tear this apart and I'll bring you back when we go do some wire. Alright you guys, we got it all disassembled, and I got all the big parts off the fender and all the rack and everything, and I wanted to bring you in real quick here to show you kind of what I'm doing with the wires. So I wanted to find out on this DR which wires go to which. I did find that the black with the white stripe is common on all my lights, so I'm pretty sure black with the white stripe is going to be my ground, and it did test out that way. So I'm going to plug in my ground with my tail light that I took off, and kick my switch on here. Now what I found was I'm going to take and go to which one lights up first, because I should have running lights. So I'm going to plug this white one in. We got nothing. And we plug this gray one in, and there we go. Now we got our running lights. So that would tell me without that, if I plug the white one in and I hit my brakes, I got my brake light. So looks like white is brakes, gray is running light, and our black with white stripe is ground. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to the fender and get the light mounted to the fender so that I know how much slack I need to mount all this up. All right, I got the fender here. I'm just doing a little mock-up to see how this is gonna look. I think it's gonna sit flush right there really well. So I'm gonna come in here in these two holes and just mark a spot where I would like to tap a hole, and I'm just gonna use these holes right here and mount it. I think it's gonna be perfect. I might even use the third one, so I got three, so it stays nice. All right, we got our light all mounted up to our fender. I got the holes drilled and put right where I needed them. I got some bolts that I found just enough to sit in here. I'm gonna end up making a little cover to go over this little space where the old taillight was and make that nice and slick. But for now, we got it in there. I think it looks pretty good. It's definitely minimalist. We're gonna be able to get the license plate here. So now I'm gonna start wiring this thing up and get it mounted back on the bike and start getting all the pieces back on. So here we go. All right, you guys, I got it all wired up. I wanted to bring you in real quick and show you kind of how it looks. I don't have all the wires zip tied and buttoned up, and I don't have my plastics back on yet, but I got the light wired, and here we are. There's our running light for when you turn on your rig. Not too bad. And then we got our blinker. Yeah, I like the speed. I like it all. And then we got our brakes. Nice and bright. I like it. Got our foot pedal as well. So it's even got the little illuminant underneath it for your license plate, so it'll light up your license plate. So it's got everything all in one package for you. Man, this is definitely a sure fix to get rid of all that cluster that happens back here. I'm definitely excited. I'm gonna make sure I get another one so I can put it on my gas. I can't wait to turn that into a road bike. This is the perfect conversion. It's the simplest thing to install. All the wires are there. Everything you need, even the little tail or the license plate light. That's pretty cool, I have to say. I want to say it's less than 20 bucks, you guys. So jump on to Dreamizer, go ahead and sift through all their stuff. They got different sizes, shapes, all the things you need. They're a good company to get from. They've been really easy with me. They've been probably one of my #1 supporters. So with that, I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for some more stuff from Dreamizer coming up any day now, and we'll see you on the next one. You be safe out there.